Hi everyone, today at FoneFunShop we've received our new Mijing C15 logic board testing fixture. Now this one is specifically for the iPhone 11. I'll take it out of the box so you can have a look. So on an iPhone 11, if you've got a logic board issue, the logic boards are in basically two parts and can be desoldered. We have other tools and rework stations to take the two boards apart. But when you want to repair them or to replace the secondary top board, which is also known as the RF board, you have to solder it all back together before you can test it and make sure the fix is good. So what the C15 does is allows you to connect the bottom board with the top board without soldering. And basically how it works is you would sit the main board, the bottom board, in this section, and then on the top of that you would seat this layer with connection pins. You've got the pins on both sides, and then on top of there you would put your top board or your RF board, and then finally you would connect it all together into one unit, and then you can connect charging ports, check connections, connect screens to it, make sure it's up and running and working before you decide to resolder it all back together. So it's a handy tool that saves loads of time. Rather than desoldering and soldering logic boards apart, you can test the boards that you've got before fully assembling them again. These are for sale on our website FoneFunShop.com. Thanks for watching.